With so many social media tips and trends floating around, one of the biggest questions we get from authors is, how do I know what works on social media? Do I need to be posting every day or just once a week? What time of the day is ideal? Should I post reels or static posts? All of these questions are valid. The truth is, what works for one author may not work for another. There is no set formula, but there are some tips that you can implement that will make a real difference on how effective your social media efforts are. Lists are one of the simplest ways to grab attention. Top 5 lessons that I've learned from writing my book, or top 5 best books to read if you love fantasy. These kinds of books are super shareable because they're easy to read and they deliver value quickly. And remember that high quality posts are super important. If a post is grainy, it won't perform well and it'll look unprofessional even if the content is great. With free tools like Canva, you can create high quality visuals in just a few clicks. It's really tempting to measure success by how many likes or shares you get, but the truth is that likes don't always mean sales. And they definitely don't define your worth as an author. Social media growth takes a lot of time. So if you're trying to build a social media presence, go easy on yourself. Focus on consistency and connection with your audience, not just numbers. If you're not sure what kind of content to post, all you need to do is just ask your audience. You can use features like Instagram or LinkedIn posts to get your audience's opinion. What kind of content do they enjoy consuming? Your content strategy will always work better if it's shaped around what your readers actually want and not just what's trending currently. If you're short on time, focus on creating content that lasts. Evergreen posts will always remain relevant no matter when people see them. These kind of posts can be reshared months later. And don't just post to post. If you have nothing to say that week, you don't have to post. But don't create content half-heartedly because they never perform well. Finally, take time out to check your analytics. All platforms give some basic data on what people are viewing, liking, and commenting on. Did a particular post format perform really well compared to other formats? Great, then now you can do more of that. At the end of the day, promoting your book on social media is not about posting non-stop or keeping up with all the trends. It's about connecting with your audience and posting content that they actually want to see. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!